What's up, YouTube? Check out my kitchen. So listen, if you're looking up or you're looking for some LED light ideas, then I'm gonna list the 4 that I use in my house and some that you might want to do as well. So let's get started. So real quick, guys, if you're new to my channel, I have a TikTok cloud light that went pretty viral. I'm gonna show you that really quickly here in the video. Right now I got the light strip in like a demo mode, so it's going through a lot of different cycles, but you can do a solid color. This light strip, just like all my other light strips, it comes with an app. So if I go to this app here, I want to do just red, maybe it's blue, or that's green. There we go. Oh, focus. That looks like a purple. Maybe I'm just adding the colors together. Okay, that looks like a red. So if you want to do like a solid color, you definitely can do that for your kitchen. Do something like that. That's pretty dope. So that's my kitchen. Let's take you over here to the living room. Now, as you can see, I got LED lights underneath both my couches. I think it adds a little, you know, a little coolness to the couches, and it actually goes all the way around. I got it down the back and the front. And let's see here. Another good thing, they all come with an app. So if I go to this, I can change the color. There is like a purple, here's a red, here's a blue. I can do, you know, bright blue, dark blue, whatever you want to do. You know, it got fully customizable. So putting LED lights underneath the couch is also pretty dope. Now I'm filming this, it's not completely dark outside, there's still light outside, so this looks even better when it's darker, but I just really want to get this video out. Alright, so here's number 3. Number 3, you might not be able to tell. I might put a video on, but I have LED lights behind my TV. Now, I had a video about these before. These are the Ʀᴏᴜ brand. So, we'll come back here. They're actually attached to the back of my TV. And the really dope thing about these lights is, as you can see here, there's a camera there. So these lights are pretty dope because they actually match whatever's on the screen. So let's say you're watching like an actual movie or something, and there's a lot of action and stuff in there. Like this will actually change to whatever's going on in the actual video. So I'm just switching here real quick. See if we got something. Well, you know, here's another advertisement. But no, okay, so advertisement kind of showing it a little bit, but I'm just kind of switching videos here that can give you something else. Let's see. Alright, so here's something different. A little bit of scenery. As you can see, the background follows whatever is going on the screen. So I really like this one for movies. Like this one's really, really pretty intuitive. Alright, so that's number 3. So we had the kitchen lights. We got underneath the couch for number 2. We got the Ʀᴏᴜ lights behind the TV. And number 4 is obviously kind of what I'm known for, I guess you could say, the cloud lights. I've had these cloud lights up. I put them up in December of 2020, and it's going on 1 year here pretty soon. You know, we're in September, but so I've had no issues. You know, my house hasn't burned down. There's no spider webs. It's not dusty at all. It's, you know, it just kind of stays like the way it does stay. So it came out really cool. So this is like my game room / studio. Play a lot of Warzone or Call of Duty in here. And you definitely can change these lights to, like, you know, be a lightning storm, or you could do like, you know, they can follow the audio of the game. So if I'm shooting, they're like flashing. Like, it's pretty dope. So I have a full video link below with the TikTok tutorial on how I put these lights up. If you want to know how I did the ones underneath my couch and how I did the ones in the kitchen, leave a comment below. I might, you know, put another video together. They're pretty simple with the other lights, because the other lights, you just gotta really just stick them on there. There's 3M tape on the back of lights, so there you go. I use a lot of different brands, as you guys can tell. Let me show you my app. And again, guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Appreciate the support. But here we go. We got LED Hue, that's the kitchen light. We got Magic Home, those are the lights underneath the couch. We got the Govee, which does the TV in the cloud lights. And then these other two are some other lighting I have. So obviously, if I was to ever redo this, I would stick to one brand. But I'm in my testing phase, so you guys are seeing the best of it all. You know, for the kitchen, I use these E-lights here. I'll have them linked below. I think they're pretty dope, really good. For the ones inside my actual cloud light, I think I use these Govee lights, or I might have used, you know, it's been so long. No, it's the Govee lights. For the ones underneath my couch, I use just a generic light strip. Actually, those are linked below too as well. They're pretty dope as well. All the light strips are also pretty equally. Another light strip brand that I use here is this brand here. Oh, there you go. It'll be linked below as well. To be totally honest with you guys, I don't care which one you get. I mean, they're all dope. I will tell you this though, when it comes to the ecosystem, they all have their own ecosystem. I know some people are like, hey, I want to keep it simple, Wes. So look here. You know, if you go Govee, there's all Govee brand. If you go LED Hue, or you go... Actually, you know what? Govee's cool, but if you do all the other brands, you may be able to get it all in Smart Life, because Smart Life has a lot of different products that you can link to it. All the lights that I have below, you can use Siri, you can use Google, you can do, not Google, Alexa. You can do all that stuff using what I have below as well. So there you go, guys. Those are 4 LED lights that you guys can do in your house. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.